Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix SABC Plus app not working on Android Smart TV. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart your TV. So simply switch off your TV, unplug the power cable, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then plug in power cable, turn on your TV and then open SABC Plus app and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to force stop and clear SABC Plus app cache. So on your TV, open settings, navigate to apps and then look for SABC Plus app and highlight it. Then navigate to force stop and then click on it. And then finally click on OK to confirm the force stop. Then go back and then click on clear cache and then finally click on OK to confirm the clear cache. Now open the SABC Plus app and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to check for SABC Plus app update. So on your TV, navigate to app sections at the top, then navigate to search for apps and games and search for SABC Plus app. And if you find any updates available for SABC Plus app, then update it and then open it and then check. Fix 4, check your internet connection. Now please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi and then check. Now here is the tip, restart your Wi-Fi router and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check SABC Plus app is working or not. Fix 5 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your SABC Plus app on your TV and then re-log in it and then check. Fix 6 is to reinstall SABC Plus app. If still your problem is not solved, then simply uninstall SABC Plus app on your TV. Then turn off your TV, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, turn on your TV and then reinstall SABC Plus app and then check. Fix 7 is to check for TV update. So on your TV, open settings, then navigate to system, about, system update. This will check for any updates available for your TV or not. You can also click on check for update, and if you find any updates available for your TV, then update it and then open SABC Plus app and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the SABC Plus app server status. You can go to this X web page or you can also go to the Facebook page of SABC Plus. Links are provided in my video description. And if you find that the server status is down, offline, under maintenance or having any outage, then just wait for the server status to get back online and then check later. So by following these steps, I hope you can easily fix SABC Plus app not working on Smart TV. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.